Bruh. Okay. I don't know. Will it work? Will it work? Yes. It works. It works. Why is it my startup time? E. What? 56 milliseconds? You're joking. It used to be like 12, like 2.8 or something like that. I mean, yeah, it's good. 56 is good because it with all the plugins, it used to be like 26 or 30 or something like that. So 56 because of the plugins that I've installed. Okay, I can live with it. Okay, I don't need to do that. So because there's already. So if I do cat, no, I'm just gonna say grep preview. Grab wait live server pnpm what is wrong? You know what? Got it. Previews to grab. It's basically the same thing here. Okay, thank you for telling me. Thank you for what is this? Oh, what? Thank you for telling me hello. Can you hear the chat? Can you hear me? Chat, what the fuck? It should be working. Is it still fucked up? Hello. Let me try to check. Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yep. Yeah, there's a delay. No, thank you so much. So I'm just gonna do this. Like, I'm just gonna like my configuration, like space FO, like wait, space FF. Let's go to snacks.lua and then let's go to reset or something like that. Instead of FO, I like to be like F undo. Reset. This is how you type reset, yeah? And then FO. I like it to be FO, like space FO, you know? Instead of like reset. Was it reset? I don't know, I don't remember. It's okay. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be installing, because as you know, I have my little install script. So Archibald, which is basically a dumbed down version of Crucible Arch install script, which is basically a dumbed down version of this. Because why I say dumbed down, because he's using things like this chez moi Symlinks, a GNU stew, which is basically Symlinks. I don't know if you noticed, but this /la, look, this is a Symlink. This file that is currently in this directory, in my home directory, is not actually this file. It's basically a file that is pointing to this. It's a symlink. Think of it as, if I change this here, it will also change there. But it's not that I hate symlinks. Having too many symlinks can cause performance degradation, so that is why I don't really agree with that. I rather, so let's, for example, let's say du cd/files. Let's go here. No, cd.files. And then let's say no cd.du dot files. See, it's only 916k with the .git repository. With the like cd.files, I'm gonna get du-sh.git. That is mainly the thing. wait, can I do something like find? Wait. Let me do something. Find all. Find dot, like everything inside. Not which is a type of dash type of it's a directory, and that directory name is not that I don't want it. So dot git. Okay, and then let's try this. Oh, give me everything with the dot git. Shit. Or should I just do something like that? Now it doesn't. No, it's still giving me. Wait. Let's say that I'm trying to find every single files in this thing. So find dot dash. It's a type. Let's try to find the file hrm.file. File dash name. The name of the file is going to be hrm.file. It finds it. If I don't want to find this, so dash not, it gives me every other file that is not that name. See, that is not hrm.file. It gives me ever. But let's try to apply the same thing to the directory. Given that we know that the .git directory is a .git directory, so .git slash, I don't know, it's still here. You know what? I'm just gonna try this. Okay, still giving me like the .git directory. cd, so ls-la, you are going to see that this is a .git directory here. Let's try asking ChatGPT. You know, if you don't know, just no. Instead of asking ChatGPT, let's ask. First of all, let's try asking the manual pages. So man find not, no, slash dash not, but not POSIX. Oh, the expression not is not POSIX compliant. Didn't know that. I'm not gonna find it here. It's too long. That's what she said. Skill issues are crazy today. Yeah. The skill issues are going crazy. So how to exclude a directory from the find command? How to exclude a hidden directory? It's not a maybe that is why it's find. See, this is how you do it. Not with the .git. I mean, should be working, but I don't know why it's not working. Let's try this. So if I try this, it should not work. This should not work, but let's try it. So slash and then the all star, from the SQL, right? You like database, don't you? Still we get this, but let's try, instead of name, let's do path. Very nice. Now we have all the paths here. I didn't know that. I learned something new today. If you learn something new, you just go to media swipe file, and then today is the 3rd of September. So if you just do something like the 3rd of 09 of 2025. So, and then I'm supposed to say find command except specific hidden directory. So this so some basic HTML, you like your HTML style. So where's the fucking, and then color is going to be, what the fuck? Red, yeah. And then you say not /span. This is not going to work. in this how to exclude the .git directory from define command. This is not going to work, right? It's not going to work. So we have something like bash and then find dash dot dash type d dash not dash name and then dot git. This is not going to work. We have to replace no. We have to replace skill issue, bro. Skill issue. We have to replace what? We have to replace dash name with dash path and add regex. I mean regex or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna copy this, paste this over here, and then this is going to work. So path and then this. I think it should work now. Let's try this. Instead of doing this, try it. It doesn't work. Okay. But why? Why does this work and not work? Exclude everything. Oh. No. If I do something like dot. Yeah, I understand now. Because we are in that directory. We're not going in that. Yeah. Now if I pipe this to du-sh. Oh, it's also 90k. So fine. 90k. Okay. It's basically the same thing. It's basically the same thing. Okay, it's okay. The more you know. That yet. So this is not going to work. It's like this. And I'm gonna reload. Yeah, I don't know why this font is not working. I tried like using the operative mono font. It's not working. I don't know why. Maybe I'll have to close the thing again. Yeah, maybe I'll have to close the thing again. Let's close the thing again. Option. Bruh. Control O to do. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Let's try this. cd dot option. cd appearance. No. And v appearance dot conf dot json and then the operator book. Okay, I don't know why, but let's try to do something like cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot kitty and v kitty dot conf and then the postscript mono. Maybe this would work. I don't know. Still doesn't work. Why is that? Why doesn't it work? Something going on. Let's try this. This changes. Now what about this? It does not change. Why? Let's try finding it here. Operator mono. This works. Operator mono works. This works, but it's too bold. That's what she said. So I'm just going to add book. No. Oh, it works. Oh, okay. This is the one that is okay. Just book. The more you know. I think. Oh, yeah. Obsidian updated. It was working the other time, but Obsidian updated, so that is why. Maybe that's why. Operator book. Very nice. It's a nice font, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing this a bit too much today. Yeah. So let's go back to previews, plugins. Yes. And then I'm gonna previews .lua, and then I'm gonna go to omni preview.name. Just gonna say fl. Just gonna say github preview.name. Oh fuck. Github preview.name. I'm just gonna go to this. Gonna say check it out. Installation preview. Yeah. Let's try this. Wait, I'm just gonna go to, like, where is it? GitHub preview. I'm just gonna copy this. So, and then I'm just gonna say something like this. Will it work? Yeah, it's nice. It's working. Very nice. Now, if I do something like quit, I'm gonna go to cd_/desktop ls. So and the archable readme archable.md, and then I'll just say hello world. Lazy extras, markdown. And the markdown is working nice. So what about a code block? Python. Yeah, and then, like, it's working. Print hello world. I don't know what the fuck is this, but it's okay. It's maybe because of the theme. It's probably because of the theme. Yeah, it's okay. I can live with it. Hello world. And then let's try to do a call out note. This should be a note call out. And then if I do space op, I'll say, yeah. Okay, I don't understand. Space op init. What does that mean? I don't understand. I don't understand why it's not working. Why is it not working? Should work. Control Shift T. I'm gonna try this for like 2, 3, 4 more minutes, and I'm gonna actually do it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. No, it's not Markdown Live Preview. It's not Markdown Live Preview. It's GitHub Preview. Oh, I need to enable it. Wait. Space FO. Previews.lua. I need to actually enable it, I think. So require GitHub preview dot setup. I Actually need to set up it. Expected table got nil. Okay. Space FO. Previews at this. It's not working. It's not working. I'm just gonna raw dog that. Toggle. No, it's not working. It's a shame. Space OP. Just gonna say random markdown. Peak. So this is working fine. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, space OP. Peak, and then yeah. So it's fuck. So let's go here. github.com/archibald. Bruh. No, I don't need to do this. Crucible. And then I'm just gonna say crucible. Then paste this over here, undo paste. Yeah, then this. Was crucible. Backstory. Yeah, backstory. It's not gonna be like backstory and stuff like that. Let's see how it's did that. Yeah. Simple install script. Simple personal install script for my Arch Linux PCs and laptops. What do I say? Like actually, what do I say? Like I need like sorry. So I need also to look at myself for example, like yeah, requirements. Just go straight for the requirements. Simple Arch install script for my laptop so that I so simple install script for my Arch Linux PCs and laptops. Whenever my OCD about of reinstalling Arch every six months comes up. Why? Info backstory. I forgot about bash, but I do have the bash language basics, how to run functions and for example, let's try to look at if I remember looping. Like this is a while loops. Wait, this is the n operator. What the fuck is it? What the fuck is this? Oh, it matches the case. Yeah. So okay, this case statements which are like this, and then there's also if statement which you have to do the fi at the end, and then this is how you access a variable. Everything is a string until evaluated, etc. You have the fucking for loops, which is like the for loops in bash, and then you have C style for loops, and then yeah, basically that's it. Select loops, I don't know about this. Oh yeah, select, just keep selecting, etc. Yeah, I did learn, I forgot about all this. Yeah. Just give me a second. That is how you make a template, and just write the fucking thing. Yeah. How to make a factorial, bro. This is like, pretty. But you would not use this to make factorial functions. This is an arch, like this is a bash, this is a scripting language. It's not designed for this type of task. See? Yeah. So I when I switch to Arch from Pop OS, I heard a lot of people saying that oh yeah yeah Arch is really unstable. Yeah, Arch is really unstable. Therefore, I basically, therefore, with my little knowledge that I had at that time, still was still trying to figure things out. I asked Chat GPT, HTTPS, chat.openai, oh yeah, openai.com, to basically write and install a script. it was the worst thing ever, because I have a tendency to over complicate things. It was the worst thing ever. It was not optimized. What I am trying to say, it's that I lacked the fundamental knowledge, fundamental knowledge of Bash. Therefore, I did Bash. Hence, I did not even think / consider using arrays to store packages, for example. ChatGPT simply wrote a little function, a function that could take x number of arguments I.e the packages names and then install it. The code was the install script was a single file that is over. I still have it, I think. github.com /all/tree/main/scripts. I think I still have it. Yeah, it's still have it. Like, look at this. Compared to currently, it's still big. The function big, but it's the function, you know. Like, and also I have things like this, which is taking a precious amount of space. Like, I don't need this. Like, 20 lines of code down here, down the drain, and then, for example, spacers and stuff like that. I mean, it's but it works as expected, and this is, I don't need this. Actually, this I don't need. I need to remove this, I think I'm gonna remove it after, because I have a Git repository. I can always go back to it. Yeah. So this is let's talk about if I take this, like 400 lines of code, 436. Let me do a little calculation. Like in all, like calculator. The 63 plus 165 plus 436 plus, I think it's like bigger. That's what she said. And then the 118. So 782 lines of code compared to my 320. That too without, imagine. There's also, okay, that's fucked up. There's also things that I don't need here. I need to remove, so it's smaller than that. Let's say 700 to 600 words, lines of code. So I have this 320, and then I have all of this plus 155. I think it's smaller because I don't have the thing. And then, okay, it's not smaller. I think 326 plus, and then the obsidian vault. and then 11112, 900 lines of code compared to around 600. And it's also like shit, like extremely shit. Let's take a look at this. Who does this? Who makes a code like this? Me. Apparently. I mean, AI did, fuck AI. There's over 920 lines of code. Fine. Now it's multi-file. Bruh. Sucks. Tip. Success. The revelation. So it's really lagging. CPU is at 107%. This is okay. And also, yeah. So typecraft Linux automation. Very nice. And then
while I was on
Control C.
watching this video already installed, checking if a certain group is already installed.
And then the revelation. The so underscore revelation came when this video by the goat by one the goat I'm not gonna say by the goat but by typecraft this video. So say undo. What? Wait, what? Keyma space SA. What is it? Auto commands. Oh my fucking god, bro. Space G. S. No, it's not working. Okay. Okay. Let's just do this instead. So I need to configure the surround plugin. So video. Okay. Fuck. Paste this in here, and then this. Right typecraft in my feed. YouTube feed. Came into my YouTube feed. Why? This is when I undo Control R. This is when I realize that things should not have been that complicated, and then got the eureka I don't know, eureka moment of I need to use arrays. Undo. Therefore, here we are. Talking about the difference. My version of his install script. Okay. So, and then I was gonna say requirements. So requirements. How did I do this? README. I need the raw version. I need the raw version. fuck am I doing? Wait, what? Requirements. So any vanilla arch or any arch based distribution. I personally, use NFOS for the cool, not cool, but like for the niceties of it. I think people should be able to use whatever they want, you know. Uh, yep. This is this. And then, for how long have I been going? How are we writing about? Yeah. And then this is a vanilla arch-based distribution. And then what do we need next? We need, I don't know, like my install script, my install script. So personally, so if using arch based distribution like Endeavor OS, I think their site is down, right? And Endeavor OS, the site is down, I think. No, it's good now. So Endeavor OS, select the select the new desktop environment option. Okay, alright, that's it. And then my install script, like git, git what else do one need to be able to do this? Git, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I should have. I think. Yeah. Git. So in terms of the usage or installation, usage. Just give me a second. Yeah, so usage. Simply clone the file, simply clone the repo, yeah. Clone this repository, and then I'm gonna do a learning, like my showing. Okay, so one dot clone this very repository clone this very repository, and then what do you say? Using the git command, and then I'm just gonna say bash clone the repository inside the home directory. So git clone https://github.com/sunhaloo/ what the fuck do you need? Like archibald.git git, yeah. And then second, run the install the main on the install main.sh file, bash or script. So main.sh in my case is main.sh, right? Yeah, main.sh. It's gonna run this and it's gonna like source packages, print the logo, etc. Run the main script. So bash again, run the on my personal install script. So git, no, it's not git clone, dot slash bash, oh, main.sh. What the fuck am I doing? On the main script inside the found inside the Archibald directory. So Archibald directory. Change directory to a cloned repository and run install and run personal install script. So I'm just gonna say something like, wait, can I think I should be able to do this. So let's try this. So cd slash github ls and then cd archibald, and if this archibald is found, the slash main sh. So okay, so cd cd into archibald and then n the slash main sh. So this can be quite success. You should now see the what am I doing first? What am I actually doing first? I'm updating the system, installing if need be. Okay, you should now see that the script is running and script is running. Therefore, go ahead and follow and run through the prompts. Therefore, go ahead and run through the prompts so that configurations can be installed. Note: GitHub setup. Limitation. Archibald warning. Archibald limitation. This is the main slash current limitation of this install script. Currently, at the end near the end. Is it actually near the end? Yeah, it's gonna near the end, and before the reboot prompt, the reboot, let's go, prompt is displayed. You're going to have an option to generate an SSH key for GitHub. Yes. Now but it's going to ask you if you currently have a desktop environment optional. So another computer / laptop, optional. So you're going to have the option to generate key. It's going to ask you if you currently have a desktop environment, but you don't. Ask you if you currently have a desktop environment and would like to proceed with the git setup / configuration. But we do not have this hyperland setup yet, as we still need to reboot the computer. What is a computer? Computer. Therefore, after rebooting, and if you want to quickly set up and generate an SSH key for GitHub, git/github, you are going to have to run the install script again. My screen just froze. Then this. So possible solution. If you have another laptop with you, and before you start running the install if you're running Archibald, try to SSH into the computer that you are going to be running. Try to SSH in the computer into the computer with another device, so that you can remotely run the install script. then you can simply install and you can simply agree, and you can then therefore hence as okay fuck hopefully the other device has a desktop environment. Desktop, no, it's a desktop environment as wait and hopefully as you already as you therefore hence therefore you can agree to the git/github configuration prompt let's ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna make the learning.md file later on. So I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. No, it's like Cloud. I'm gonna ask Cloud. I'm gonna use another one. Cloud Cloud.ai. I've not done any progress today. No, but I've made the progress. I've made this progress, yeah. I am currently writing an install script for I'm currently writing the readme.md file for my install script. Can you help me with the grammar and English language in general? Yep, you need to help me. Yeah. I'm gonna say add uploaded file, desktop, watchable. Can you go over this markdown draft file for my archable install script readme.md file. I'm just gonna download it as a markdown file. Desktop, save, no, just like ls and archable readme. Okay, arch install script inspire a simple personal script for my arch whenever the of installing everything kicks in. Backstory: when I switched from arch from Pop OS, I heard a lot of people saying that yeah, arch is really unstable. At the time, with my limited knowledge, I will I was still trying to figure things out. I was trying to basically write an install script. It was the worst thing ever. It wasn't optimized. What I'm trying to say is that I lacked the fundamental knowledge of Bash. Hence, I didn't even think of or consider using arrays to store packages. For example, ChatGPT simply wrote this thing to take X number of arguments, i.e. packages, and then install them. Was over 920 lines of code. The revelation came when the video by Typecraft appeared in my YouTube feed. This is when I realized things shouldn't have been complicated, and I had the Eureka movement. Oh, that's how you write that. Eureka movement of, oh, I need to use arrays. Therefore, therefore I actually went over Bash's basics again, and here I am with my version of his install script. Requirements: vanilla. If you're using an another computer, clone the file. So git clone the result inside the home source. Run the main script found in Archibald directory. You should go ahead and follow the prompts that all package can be installed. A warning: this is the main / correct limitation of this. Near the end, before the reboot prompt is displayed, you will have an option to generate an SSH key. Generate. So generate an SSH key for GitHub. It will ask you if you currently have a desktop environment and would like to proceed with a Git setup. But we do not have a hyperlink setup yet, as we still need to reboot the computer. Therefore, after rebooting, if you want to quickly set up and generate the SSH key for GitHub, you will have to run this script again. Possible solution: if you have another laptop with you, before you start running the Archibald, try to SSH into the computer. SSH, secure shell connection, SSH, secure shell. If you have this way, you can agree to the GitHub secure properly, or you have this environment. You just need to open another browser. You just need to open up GitHub. So https github.com/selocom, and simply paste that SSH key there. When you reboot, you should be ready to use my computer. Okay. So cp archibald readme to /.files. No, GitHub /.files /archibald. No, what? No, it's Archibald. Yeah. cd Archibald mv Archibald readme to readme.md. Git status, git add dot, git commit. Just run the git status again. Git commit. So update added readme.md file. So what do you need to do? So added readme.md file, a file for Archibald will later add the learning.md file. So let's do this file git status git push. Yeah. So chats, I'm gonna say delete this, yeah, just include close, and then yeah, github.com archibald. Yep. Oh fuck, you're joking me. Bruh, this is fucked up. So and we readme.md. You know what? Let's remove all of this. So back story. Control V. Git diff. When at it ChatGPT success. Git no, I'm just gonna use lazy git now. AC updated readme the file. Removed. Change backstory. Backstory section. Pushing. But why does it work? It doesn't work. It should be working. I don't know why it's not working. What the fuck? GitHub callouts. Oh, this is how you write it? Really? Okay. Bruh, you're joking me. Yeah, but it's not working. What the fuck? It's not working. Look, there's a space here, and everything. It's not working. Phew, sheesh. Bruh. Why? Why is it not working? That's what she said. It should be working, you know? It should be definitely working. And it's shit. Like, why is it shit? Okay. Look at this shit. Look at me. Like, I'm not. Fuck. I don't. Do I have? Yeah, I need to write everything is good. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Oh, bro, Control C. Chat@openai.com. Temporary chat. What is wrong with these callouts? GitHub does not display them well. Is them as intended. Oh, it's important. Okay. Also, there's no success. What? How come there is no success? Prefer. Mm. Mm. I don't think so. I don't think big man. Really? What says success? Fuck. Fuck. I didn't see. I didn't read. I didn't fucking read. Read, motherfucker, read. Undo. Important. The revelation. Info. So tip. My tip. You know, tip. Possible solution and then warning. Important. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, change this thing. Wait. I'm gonna say. Wait. I'm just gonna do something like this. Close this. Then do this. What do you guys think of this? What do you guys think of this? Yep. And then I think it should be good. Git status. Lazy git. Update. Success callouts are not yet implemented. Yep. I did not really notice that there is no success callouts in Markdown. If I push this now, will it work? Now this works and this doesn't work. What the fuck, bro? What is wrong with this? Fucking shit. Bruh. Like, how many times I have to do this? Important. What is wrong? I need the raw file for this. I need to see the raw file. No, I'm not copying. Let's close. So there's still a success here. What? Success. Where the fuck is the success coming from? What? I don't know. Is it actually like good? Commit success callouts, and then I have a success callout here. Tip callout are also not implemented. Tip callout also not implemented, right? No, tip is implemented. I don't know why it's not working. Why is it not working? I don't fucking understand. There's still this, the revelation. Tip, the revelation. Oh, I'm just gonna. Oh, I think it's these things. You should important. Yeah. Got readme that MD, that's the real copy. I'll show you video again. Do you think that all of these callouts will be correctly displayed on GitHub GitHub? So, and we readme.md also, and then there's this thing, this shit here that I need to do this. Okay, then I have this. It's not working. That's obviously it's not gonna work. Never gonna work. And anything doesn't work here. What did I commit? It committed nothing. What did it actually commit? Success becomes tip. Success. Yeah. And I think these are the ones that are like not committing. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Yeah, that's okay. So, phew. Quit without saving. Okay, see update. GitHub callout should now work. Bruh, nice fuck. Oh fuck. Still doesn't work. Still does not work. I don't understand why it's not working. Like it's committing. Nothing is working. Huh? It's the first time it's happening. I'm trying my phone. It's working here. It's working on my computer. Oh, it's on my computer. It's not working. Not off. Archibald. Now it's working. What the fuck? Oh my god, Brave is so shit. Actually, man, Brave is so shit. Fix Archibald like this, like the warning, and then like this. Why that for you of voting? Oh. It's okay, it's okay. I'm not gonna fix anything now. I'm tired of this shit. Okay, I'm gonna go for a pee break, and then I'm gonna, start actually coding. Coding. So I have done this. Yeah. Look at these. Look at these commits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like just for the readme. Fucking hell. No, but I need to like write about it. So Archibald. So Archibald remove uh OMZ automated in quotation mark setup. No, it's a function. Yeah, I need to remove that. Now I'm gonna go and learn about structs and structs and structs and structs in C, and then Java, and then pointers, and then Java and C, and then stuff like that. I am going to now. So it was working, but it's my browser that was shit. No, it's this not work, bruh. So let's go into learning. So programming, and then C basics. And I'm gonna say C basics. I'm gonna say new node. C structs. C. I'm gonna say C. C Python basics, Python data structures. So C structs. C structs. What is it stuff? Well, let me ask ChatGPT. Shut it open. No, let me ask Cloud because I already have Cloud open. So what? Oh no. Fuck. Cloud. Cloud.ai. Yeah, let it be like this. Yeah, let me go to charts, and then yeah. What is the difference between what is a struct? What 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 is a type def? Type type def. What is the difference between them? Let me go P. It's so xcaledro.com, and then so we're gonna say something like T, then extra large, going, so P break. Yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna go P. Yes, I am back. I am back from my pee break. First of all, wait. Pee break. No, not control A, not control A. I'm just gonna say delete this. Yeah. So let me just do something first. Let me just share something. And then I'm gonna, actually stop with this. So status, then how can I also? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and yeah. So what is a struct? So from what I understand, using a struct before I start, from what I understand, given if you have a million students, you would not create a million. Oh fuck! It's like yeah, you would not create a million data types. Let's say you have to store the name, you have to store the age, you have to store X amount of data types. You would not create X amount of a million data X amount million data types. Therefore, you use a struct. It's basically a class. Basically a class, but not really. So let's start. A struct is a way to group related variables together under one name. That it is. Think of it like a container that holds a class. Create a nickname for existing type. Oh, you're joking. I meant int. That's it. That's the difference. Without tablet verbose, struct must write struct student. Oh, that's actually nice. Saying dog, I would say John. John. Organization keep related data together. Okay, let's close this for the second. When should I use a struct? And so a struct and a one. But wait, you're saying a type def. I can just like type def struct. But if I just write type def, and when do I use type def type def struct? Let's try struct like asterisk struct. Now, additionally, can do you have to use type def with structs or can we nickname whatever data type we want for fun? Matrix of 10 by 10. So structs and type def in C. How do you prefer you type def for structs? I think people normally people use like So you declare it. See, look at the following pattern type of struct ATB. Okay, no. What this does? Finds an anonymous structure ATB and gives it the alias ATB. For example, if you try doing something like D node, this would work. It's not defined at the point. Yeah, because D node, it's not defined. It's really lagging. I don't know why. The second you can show the structure of D node. It's basically type definition. I did have. Let me try to find the thing that I did try. Like, wait, not desktop audio. Like close the. Yeah, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Huh? So learning C programming language, the basics, the structs and type def, and then I'm gonna say this. I don't think I can show you this. I don't think I can show you this. Yeah, it's also simple, so it's not worth it in my opinion to show you this. But I did learn about it very long time ago. So I'm gonna say C structs so C structs. So yeah, where was I? C structs and C structs. I'm gonna make atomic nodes, C structs. So template coding, and then what do you do this? C data view and then C struct. Let's try to go for this. So it's basics. So C structs and then C language basics dash structs and then C and then basics, and then that's it. You do this, you do like this, and then you press, you do this, and then you do C basics structs. I need to do the C arrays first. Yeah, that's also a thing I need to do. The arrays first. So how did I do it? Like data structures, C data structure. So C basics, Python basics, so Python data structure. So new folder, C data structures. Yeah, I should place this over here. I think you know what? I'm gonna make the array first, and I'm gonna also make for Java at the same time. Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do at this point in time. Yeah. So C structures, Python data structures, C data structures, and then did I have a folder for this? Do I have a folder for like the specific data structures? Python folder, and then the basics folder, and then random Python codes. Yeah, it's inside the basics folder, so it's okay. So Python data structures folder, which is inside the basics folder. Yeah, so this is okay. Okay, let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 5. Yeah, there's no arrays. There's arrays in C in Python. I did not know that. It's actual arrays in Python, and then then there's NumPy, the famous NumPy. But Python.org, and if I go to something like arrays, there's a module called array module, which is basically an array, a better list, in my opinion. I mean, lists are good and fine, but if you want to store like a specific amount of data, because in my opinion, like the array is so much better. So and then I have so what did I say? C data structures folder. So C structs so control O C arrays C. Okay, so C arrays. I need to do C arrays first then. Fuck. So this is good, and then this should be in the in progress section. And then I'm gonna go for this. No, not this. This. Do this. Control N. So I can say Control C. Arrays. And I was gonna say. I'm just gonna copy this. Control A. So Control. There's no Control. Shift. Shift G. Yank. Oh, that is why I can't paste. Yeah. Fuck. No. There's something right on. Wait. What the fuck? Shift V, yank this, paste this, undo, shift paste. Yeah, this is a C arrays, language basics, data. No. Python list in Pythons. Okay, so arrays in Python then. Arrays in C. So arrays in C basics. So Python list, and then Python data structures arrays list. So this is also data structures. I didn't know that I had this. So data structures, and then this goes this. Data structures basics. No. Control Shift T. It's not basics anymore. It's just the language. And then the base, and then the data structure, and then the data structures, and then the arrays, and then the list. Okay, so this is what I have. This is what we're gonna say. This is also like that. Data structures and arrays here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go follow the list thing. Yeah, so this is that, and then this should be first. So C dash arrays. Yeah, this should be this, and then this. Okay, so this is fine. This is like fine, totally fine, and everything is fine here. Now what about Java? Because I will have to do Java also. So new folder, Java data structures, and then the data view, and then the data view. Yeah. Oh, it's still in progress. Oh fuck. See data view, and then I was gonna say. So this, and then no, this, yank this, and then paste this over here. From learning slash Java, yank this. Yeah, there's no files in progress, and then there's this basic folder. Wait a second, just give me a second. Linking C files, linking Java files, Java basics folder, and then you have the Java data structures folder. I will let that be here. Okay, so wait. I hate Java, and I don't know Java, and I don't want to understand Java. Java arrays. Arrays in Java. In Zappa. Java arrays. Because there's array list, there's Java arrays, there's the fuck ton of things. You know? Yeah, so okay. Arrays in Java. Okay, boys. Did I close this? Yeah, I did. You're joking, I just lost everything. You're joking. Skill issue is going crazy today, that is right. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the stream now because I just lost everything, I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the